Good morning, friends. Thank you for joining us at Our Sweet Home Life. I appreciate you taking the time to watch us today. I've heard a lot about cast iron, curing cast iron skillets, so I thought I would just take this opportunity to talk to you a little bit about my cast iron skillets. And this cast iron skillet has some bacon grease in it. This was my mother's. And my best memory of this skillet was my mom's fried chicken. It was delicious. It was crispy on the outside and tender and juicy on the inside. So I have a special recipe for the fried chicken, and the secret that makes it crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside that I'll share with you soon. So that's the oldest one I have. My mom got married in 1946, and that was the skillet she had when they got married. And then Mojo and I, this is the one that I purchased after he and I got married, and we've been married almost 49 years. So this skillet is almost 49 years old. And then this Dutch oven was my mom's. And let me tell you, this Dutch oven makes anything good. You can put a beef roast in there. You can put a pork roast in there. You can put chicken, roast chicken in it, chicken and rice. Anything you put in this. If you just add a little bit of spices, put this lid on it and put it in the oven, it is delicious. I love that Dutch oven. And then this skillet was Mojo's mom's. And this skillet is famous for cooking biscuits. She could make the best biscuits. And stay tuned to me and come back and watch some more videos, because I am going to be sharing with you an old Southern biscuit recipe that's really good. And then Mojo loves his cornbread. And this makes wonderful crispy cornbread sticks that we love. And then we have this large Dutch oven I purchased from Mark for Christmas a few years ago, and it cooks on an open fire. And you can cook stews and soups and chili in this on an open fire. And he's going to be showing you how to do that one day. And then we have these griddles that you can cook bacon, eggs, pancakes on. Have two of those. And how you cure these is you can use shortening. I have some Crisco, but you can use any good shortening. You can use lard, shortening, or you can use oil, vegetable oil. But the shortening or the lard is the best. And you just use a napkin and dip it in there, which I've already dipped and put some on it. And then I will use this one for an example. And you just take your napkin and wipe it really well. All the edges, inside and out. And you even do the handle. And then you take it and you put it on a baking sheet and put it in your oven for about an hour on 350 degrees. And then you just cut the oven off and leave it in the oven and let it just cool in there. And it should be good to go to cook anything. But if any time your skillets get where they stick a little bit, you may just want to add just a touch of oil to the bottom of it, and then just put it in a cool oven and let it set until you get ready to use it to cook. But I have had iron skillets since I got married, almost 49 years, and that's the way that I have serviced my iron skillets. And also when you wash them, I hear some people say that not to use soap. I've used soap and not had any problems. I just wouldn't scour it real bad. But if you have to scour it with a scouring pad, just make sure you put some oil in the bottom of it and put it back in your oven and let it set. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and share. And we appreciate your help so much, and have a blessed day. We'll see you next time.